If you know the location where your images were photographed, but you don't have the GPS coordinates embedded into the photos, you can add those locations very easily inside of the Map module. In this example, I photographed some images in Italy, and I'd like to add that location info into the file itself. First, I'm going to search the map for the location. The location name is Burano, Italy, and you can see my search result in the map. Now at the bottom, I have the images here in the film strip. Not all of them are from this location, so I'm just going to scroll to the right to get to the end. And there we go. I'm going to hold the Shift key and select those photos. And then, if I click over the map, I can select Add GPS Coordinates to the selected photos. Once they process, you'll see a number pop up over those search results, meaning that the GPS coordinates have been embedded into those images.